Hello class. In this particular video, we're going to look at the 41 fraction to decimal equivalents that I'd like you to have memorized. So I'm going to go through each one of them. So first one, 1/2. You should have 0.5. 1/3, 0.3 with a bar. 2/3, 0.6 with a bar. 1/4, 0.25. 3/4, 0.75. 1/5, 0.2. 2/5, 0.4. 3/5, 0.6, 4/5, 0.8. 1/6, 0.16 with a bar on the 6. 5/6, 0.83 with a bar on the 3. 1/7, 0.1428557 with a bar. 2/7, 0.285714 with a bar. 3/7, 0.428571 with a bar. 4/7, 0.571428 with a bar. 5/7, 0.714285 with a bar. And 6/7, 0.857142 with a bar. And the bars go over the whole thing. 1/8, 0.125. 3/8, 0.375. 5/8, 0.625. 7/8, 0.875. Back to the top. 1/9, 0.1 with a bar. 2/9, 0.2 with a bar. 4/9, 0.4 with a bar. 5/9, 0.5 with a bar. 7/9, 0.7 with a bar. 8/9, 0.8 with a bar. 1/10, 0.1. 3/10, 0.3. 7/10, 0.7. 9/10, 0.9. 1/11, 0.09 with a bar. 2/11, 0.18 with a bar. 3/11, 0.27 with a bar. 4/11, 0.36 with a bar. 5/11, 0.45 with a bar. 6/11, 0.54 with a bar. 7/11, 0.63 with a bar. 8/11, 0.72 with a bar. 9/11, 0.81 with a bar. And 10/11, 0.90 with a bar. So what I just did was I just wrote down all of the fraction to decimal equivalents that I want you to memorize. Now, what are some of the tricks? Okay, well, here they are. The half, you should just know. The thirds, you take your numerator and your denominator, multiply them together, and put a bar on it. Your quarters, 1/4 is 1/4. How much is it worth? 3/4, how much is it worth? Your fifths, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, are what I call the cheerleader fractions. 2, 4, 6, 8, who do we appreciate? Okay, your 1/6 and your 5/6, just memorize them. There's really not an easy way to remember them. Your sevens, well, they're circles. Okay, it's just a circle. All you have to memorize is this first one, 1/7, 0.142857. All the rest of them are calculated based on that. Okay, so the second one, 2/7, you take this 1.42857, you go to the next number in line from 1, and that would be the 2, and that's the number you start with. 285714. Okay, and then for the next one, you go to, since there's not a 3, you go to the 4, and that's the number you start with. 42857 Okay, for the next one, you'd start with the 5. 571428. And then you'd go to the next one, which would be the 7.714285. And then the last one, of course, starts at the 8, 857142. So you just write them in a circle. Okay, your 8s, okay, you do 125, and basically you add 250 each time. So the way I remember them is numerator, numerator, numerator plus 1, numerator plus 1, 25, 75, 25, 75. It's kind of a stupid way to remember it, but it works for me. Your 9s, okay, all of those are just the numerator with a bar. 1 with a bar, 2 with a bar, 4 with a bar, 5 with a bar, and so on. Your 10s, just say them. And if you notice your 11s, they're just your 9 times tables. Numerator times 9. So 9 times 1, 9 times 2, 9 times 3, 9 times 4, and so on and so forth, and they all have a bar. The only ones you got to think about are 1/11 and 10/11. It has to be a 2-digit number. So for 9, it's got to be 09, and then 10/11 is 90, and I forgot the bar on that last one. Okay, so those are some of the tricks that you can use to help you memorize them. Okay, you're going to have a quiz over these, and you've got to be able to write them down in 5 minutes. Okay, so those are your fraction to decimal equivalents that I need you to memorize.